This is a short video on chaining. It's a quilting technique used so that you can sew together multiple pieces without having to pick up your needle. You can use just one piece of thread and do it really fast and not have to worry about wasting too much time. So you have your first piece and you just sew across it like you would normally would for the project you're working on. When you get to the very end, you're actually going to sew off of the piece of fabric. Alright, so my needle is barely off. I'm going to pick up my presser foot and I'm going to insert the next piece of material. I'm going to put it right next to the needle and put the presser foot down, and then I'm going to keep sewing. I'm going to come to the very end of my fabric piece, just like the first time, and again I'm going to sew right off of it, pick up my foot, insert the next fabric piece, press the foot down, and then keep going. Once you're at the end of your project, as you can see, you now have a line of fabric pieces and they're separated, so all you have to do is trim the thread in between, so you can save on thread, save on time, and it makes a quilt or any project go much faster if you have multiple pieces that you're trying to sew at the same time.